Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of January the 5th to the 11th. Excellent shampoo deals this week. If you're going to do nothing else, the shampoo deals, because they are really fantastic. Right off the bat, we got 3 boosters that showed up on Wednesday morning. Check your account, and if you didn't get the big spend booster, I would check probably later on Saturday and Sunday. So the first is to buy 4 dental care products, get back $6 in Walgreens cash. The second is to buy 2 Garnier, get $3 back in Walgreens cash. And the fourth is to spend $45 to get back 10, and that's on a general basket. So that's just like a little booster. Okay, so we are going to be talking right off the bat about Christmas stuff. Toys at the majority of stores are only 33% off. After Valentine's Day, I think they'll start going 50, 60, 70, 80. But some people have it tagged at 70, but unfortunately where I live, it's 33%. Pay attention to that. Even if it's tagged at 70, you might need a modification because 33% and 70%, huge difference. The majority of Christmas stuff is 70% off, and if you look very carefully at the tag, it started on the 1st, ends on the 5th, which is Sunday. Now, my prediction is that on the 6th, that is Monday morning, you can check in the app for various Christmas items. I believe it's going to go 80% off. And I think after the week, so it's going to start on Monday the 6th, go right till Friday or Saturday, and then they're going to box it off and it's going to get shipped to an auction house or back to head office and then auctioned off. That's my prediction. It may go 90, but they make way more money if they auction off the pallets, which they have done for years and years. And because there is such a vast amount of Christmas stuff, it's a way that the store can make a lot of money. If you want to look up this YouTuber, Resale Rabbit, and type in Walgreens, he basically shows they're called seasonal shelf pulls or overstock, and everything from every season usually ends up on these pallets. He bids on them for his warehouse sales and all the stuff that he's reselling. Very fascinating channel too. But I recommend that you watch this. If you're living in like New York City, you don't have any Christmas stuff left on the floor. But if you live in a town where there might be a good amount of stuff, I think it's going to go 80 and then that's it. However, I might be wrong, but I'm thinking on Monday it'll be 80. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published in the Walgreens app on Sunday the 5th. And for all of my curbside shoppers, we're going to have a 15% off of 35 and then a 20% off of 50. So we will have to investigate that one when we do the curbside video early next week. Let's hop right into the deals. The first one goes to the Arm & Hammer detergent. It'll be 4 for $10 with a 2 off 4 digital coupon. So just lining up this math. You're grabbing 4 of these laundry care products for $10. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're paying $8 for the 4 or $2 per. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. What is the booster? Something like that 10 back when you spend 40, that digital booster. So if you're just doing this deal on its own, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Everybody's favorite, the Garnier, either the Fructis or the whole blends. We're going to have to see what digital coupon that we receive. 2 for $8, $3 reward when you buy 2, and then a $3 register reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 of these for $8, subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $5, get back a $3 register reward, making it 2 for $2 or $1 per shampoo or conditioner. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but definitely a great stock up price. The Puffs, Charmin, and Bounty Essentials, buy 4, get back a $5 register reward, and they're on sale for $5.49. Grabbing a mix and match of them, that's $21.96. Currently, we have a $1 digital coupon on 3 of the items, so that's $3 off. Paying $18.96, getting back a $5 register reward. It makes it $13.96 for the 4 or $3.49 per paper product. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but $3.49 for some of these top tier P&G paper products, not a bad deal. Okay, now we're looking at some Head & Shoulders for $6. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon, so make sure you have it loaded. Very basic deal, grabbing 2 of those shampoos for $12. The 4 off 2, let's hope it's attaching to those $6 bottles. You're going to pay $8, get back a $3 register reward, making it $5 for the 2 or $2.50 per Head & Shoulders, which is a very good price point. You're doing this deal with no booster. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Everybody's favorite deal, the Colgate for 50 cents. So this is just a very basic deal, grabbing 2 of these products for $8. Subtracting your 4 off 2 digital coupon, you're going to pay $4. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per product. It is okay to use Walgreens cash again if you're doing this deal with no booster, but for 50 cents, that is an excellent stock up price. This is a really cool deal that's here. It's the buy one, get one 50% off on the Suave body wash for men. An extra $1 register reward when you buy 2. So grabbing 2 of these on a BOGO 50% off, that's going to be $5.23. We currently have a $1 digital on the Suave products, so you're going to pay $4.23. Get back that $1 register reward, making it $3.23 for the 2 or $1.61 per bottle, which is great. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. A deal I would absolutely do. Now we're looking at the Olay or Old Spice bath care, so like body washes, that good stuff. We're going to be grabbing 3. I'm going with the Olays for this one. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $16. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $11 for the 3 or $3.66 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. $3.66 in comparison to $8.99 for one of these products. That is some savings right there. Now we're looking at the $7 Dove products, which is probably going to be those body washes. A 6 off 2 digital coupon, $2 reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 of these body washes, it's $14. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $8. Get back a $2 register reward, making it $6 for the 2 or $3 per body wash. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And remember to photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app for this one and Olay. Maybe there'll be a couple extra points for that one. If you didn't do this deal last week, I encourage you to do it this week. It's the $4.99 Dawn Power Wash Spray. We have a $2 digital, dropping this guy down to $2.99. On a non-sales week, I think it's $6.49 for one of these bottles at Walgreens. It's expensive everywhere, so for $3, I would definitely stock up. Use your Walgreens cash. You're doing this deal with no booster. Also in the P&G family, the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers are $1.29, or that Febreze Small Spaces is 99 cents after digital coupon, and both items are priced at $3.29 a pop. Again, if you didn't use your digital coupons last week, $1.29 or 99 cents for these products. That is a fantastic price point. The bags by Complete Home, which is the Walgreens brand, are on a buy one, get 2 for free promotion. So the first one is $2.79. It basically shakes out all 3 to 93 cents per box of 20 bags. Let's talk about some quick honorable mentions. The first one goes to the $4 digital coupon that's going to be attaching to these big memas of Gain, Tide, Unstoppables, making it $11.99. Now, we'll have to figure something out in case there's some super secret coupon printing or something. As the week unfolds, we'll have to keep an eye on this one. The 2 for $5 of the General Mills cereal with the $1 off 2 digital, it makes it $2 per box. Definitely check the different rebate apps if there might be a rebate that you can use in concert with this to get some cheap cereal. That's what we all love. And then the Doritos are 2 for $8. And I'm pretty sure that Doritos and Lay's, they always work hand in hand. So if you can get one cheap, the other one's probably 2 for $7. So we'll have to look at that as well. And then lots of these soda companies are like, don't give this up in the new year. Buy 2, get 2 for free on the 7-Up and Pepsi for the 12-pack. Very good deal. And then for the Coca-Cola, it's buy 2, get 1 for free. So if that is your preference, you have an either or. Obviously, the Pepsi one is a little bit better with buy 2, get 2 for free. But we'll look at both of these for a curbside deal next week, hopefully we'll be able to reconcile the math to get something rocking and rolling. That's it for this video, guys. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.